Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very classy and very unique because in this video I'll be sharing very amazing handmade crochet earrings, creative DIY earrings, handmade beads earrings, ear studs, jewelry that could help you to achieve very unique, stylish and classy look. But friends, going further into the details and depth of this video, I have a very simple request to you. That is, most of you already knew about my request that kindly, if you are new to my channel, or if you are watching my content for the first time, or you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then friends, what are you waiting for? Kindly please do subscribe my channel right now, and while subscribing, do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Friends, on my channel you can get creative, stylish, amazing and trendy ideas related to different domains and different fashionable perspectives of women. Yes friends, on my channel you can get classy ideas related to handmade jewelry, gold, diamond, silver, designer style designs, original gemstones, horoscopic point of view, baby dress designing, western dress designing, hand knitted patterns, crochet designing, silk ribbon embroidery, fabric painting, hand embroidery, mirror work, gota work, Indian designer dresses, Pakistani traditional wear, much more, Asian traditional dresses, sweaters, cardigans, and a wide and broad perspective of women fashion. All you have to do is subscribe my channel and watch my content on daily basis. Then you would be amazed to get creative and broad perspective of women fashion world. Yes friends, now I will not exaggerate it or not extend it long further, and we will move back towards our video, that is creative and mesmerizing amazing designs. Yes friends, all you need is a thread and a crochet or a knitting pen, with the help of which you can make these very beautiful patterns. It's old enough now that you have been using crochet for knitting your granny square patterns, your bottoms, your shirts, your inners, your baby frock designing and head warmer scarves and etc. Just like clothing patterns. This video will inshallah give you a broad perspective on how you can use your crochet, your knitting skills for making and creating some very beautiful, amazing and unique mesmerizing design ideas. Yes friends, and you can also make these knitted patterns onto your already existing simple and dull and dry ear studs or earrings by using pearls, crochet patterns, beads, some more sort of flared jewelry items. Yes friends, and from this collection you can get a wide variety of design ideas of earrings, ranging from simple crochet earrings, ear studs, to tassel earrings, beaded earrings, pearl based earrings, long, short, medium length earring, and much more, because summers are coming near and winters are going away. So all of these design patterns are extremely exquisite for funky dress designing and color combination with your summer items. And these are absolutely lightweight, soft, durable and long lasting, and you can wear them throughout your whole hectic day even, to keep your look classic and chic at the same time, because they have no weight, they are very lightweight and they provide comfortability to your ears, and at the same time they would give you an exquisite touch of elegancy. So if you are some sort of trendy funky fashion lover, then go for the sunflower beautiful hand knitted earrings, and if you are some sort of colorful person, then go for multi colored earrings, and if you are some sort of decent or delicate person, then go for bright and matte shades like purple, lilac, lavender, pink, tea rose, aqua, grayish touches. So to enhance the beauty of these, you can add long beads or pearls onto the end of your earrings, And those who don't know how to make complex patterns of crochet, then it is very easy for you, and I am giving you a additional opinion that if you know how to make crochet flowers, then it is much more enough for you. Just make a crochet flower with the help of crochet or any sort of other knitting pens, and then with the help of beads and pearls you can design your whole entire collection. So thank you so much for watching. We will soon be back. Friends, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you with the next video.